Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gadget Rehab repair video. Today we're diving into a troubleshooting session on this Xbox Series X. It's having issues with the fan not spinning and shutting down. We initially replaced the fan, but the new fan still isn't spinning up. That suggests the problem might not be with the fan itself. So we're going to check the Southbridge board for any shorts that could be causing the fan circuit to fail. Here we are testing the fan connector in diode mode. You can also test for voltage. If you have it connected to power, there should be a ground, 12-volt line, 0 to 3-volt line, and another 3 or 5-volt line. On this pin, we are getting a short to ground, along with the next pin. Luckily, we have another working Southbridge board here to compare the diode readings to. The third pin is not getting a short to ground unlike our bad board, and it looks like the fourth pin is our ground. I will check the bad board one more time. It looks like both capacitors behind the fan are also shorted to ground. Next, I will apply 1 volt to the shorted fan pin to see if we can see where the short is coming from on our thermal camera. We can see one of the capacitors behind the connector is getting hot, so we will remove it and check if the short is gone. I will skip testing if the short is gone for now and go ahead and install the new capacitor. And just like that, the short is no longer present. We can go ahead and quickly put the Xbox back together to test if everything is working properly. Look at that. The fan is spinning smoothly now. That's exactly what we want to see. Well, That's all we have for you today. We're going to disassemble the Xbox one more time to give it a good cleaning before closing it up and giving it back to the customer. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe if we were able to help, and drop a comment if you've had a similar issue with your Xbox Series X. Until next time, happy repairing.